friends, it's time to get started on our job. One of the first things you want to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. After that, let's go ahead and remove our hubcap. Next, go ahead and remove all 4 of your 21mm lug nuts and then the wheel. Now that we have the wheel off, we have a nice clear view of our upper sway bar link attachment point here, and if you were to follow it down, it leads to the sway bar down there. So to start removing this, I'm going to use a 19mm wrench. I'm going to come right along the backside here. You're going to be able to find a nut that you can grab onto. While I'm holding that, I'll use a 17mm up here, and we can start removing this mounting nut. Now that we have that off of there, we can go ahead and pull this away, remove our wrench, and then do the same to the bottom. Get this out of here. There it is, friends. Now we can go ahead and install our sway bar link. Let's start with the sway bar down at the bottom here. We can start the nut on there. We'll just go ahead and bottom that out. Let's get this into the strut. Bottom this one out as well. Now we can go ahead and torque both of these nuts to 58 foot-pounds. All right, now we can go ahead and get our wheel up on here. Now at this point, we'll just start all of our lug nuts on. We'll bottom them out, get the wheel back on the ground. Now that we have the wheel back on the ground, let's go ahead and torque all of our lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. After you've torqued your lug nuts, if you have a hubcap, go ahead and put that on now. You want to look for your valve cap hole or your valve stem hole. Go ahead and line that up with the stem, and then give it a loving bonk. And make sure it's completely secure so it doesn't fall off while you're driving down the road. All right, now you're just going to want to make sure that you go ahead and do the same on the other side.